Thanks Flex Seal for sponsoring this video and powering our science mission. Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator. The latest deployment of our hail research project resulted in a confrontation with 2.5-inch gorilla hail. Nature always wins, and I need to get this truck bed cover fixed. I'm going to be using flex paste to patch up these holes to prevent water from getting inside. First I remove the silica gel and the foil cover and save them for later. The cover seems to be some type of composite on the top with aluminum on the bottom and a foam core in between. So I use some percussive force to get the dents out of the bottom. Next I clean where I'm going to be applying the flex paste with isopropyl alcohol. Flex paste is easy to apply, just smoosh it on with a spatula. Job done, and water won't get into the foam core. Thank you for watching. Flex on.